Jamaicans live everywhere, but one man made sure their stories were never lost. Xavier Murphy is a Jamaican-born entrepreneur and storyteller who understood something early. Success abroad often comes with silence and separation. After migrating and living across multiple countries, Xavier saw a gap. Jamaicans were excelling worldwide, but their stories were rarely told. So he created Jamaicans, a digital home for the global Jamaican diaspora. What started as a simple idea grew into a powerful platform, featuring stories of Jamaicans thriving in over 70 countries, from doctors and engineers to artists and athletes. Through his docuseries Jamaicans to the World, Xavier didn't just document success, he restored pride, connection, and identity. His work proves that impact isn't always loud. Sometimes it's built by telling the right stories consistently. Not all heroes are on the field or the stage. Some build bridges and change narratives. If you're part of the Jamaican diaspora or support Jamaican excellence worldwide, like this video, subscribe and share it with someone abroad. Drop a in the comments if you believe our stories deserve to be told.